The Black Sea, very beautiful, also very nice weather.
So I'm here in Georgia. I must admit I've really enjoyed it. Georgia in general has been a blessing for me. I'm now in Batumi. Yeah, this place is somehow very much developing. There's a lot of investments in here. You can see, new skyscrapers coming out. Um, about the quality, I'm not always sure. Um, the quality is lacking here and there, but in general, the country, Georgia, is very nice to be nowadays. I think there's quite a lot of freedom. Yeah, it's from the taxation point of view, it's very attractive if you are an entrepreneur, as a solopreneur, you might find the conditions here very favorable, so check it out. When it comes to taxation and in general.
So let's continue this story, and basically this is still Batumi city. Wait a second, no, we are still downtown. Yeah, this is still downtown, just walking around on the sea coast, and if you go along the sea coast, this is basically more or less what you see. And yeah, they offer different nice tourist attractions. You can go with a boat around, you can watch the nice views around. Yeah, this is Batumi. It's really like interesting place to be, but also to come here as a tourist. Nice climate, nice weather, a lot of sun. When it comes to prices, it's pretty available. Yeah, some things are really, I would say, cheap, and in general, it's the price you pay for the quality is really it's a good deal. Let's put it this way. So, and in general, if you look at the city, this Batumi city, it looks like a beautiful place. Also, it's also quite safe. You feel very safe in here. People are relaxed. It's all about enjoying. It's about having fun, and so they have a lot of hospitality in general in their culture. But also they are like aware and alert. So if people come with a good attitude, they treat them nice, and if people don't come with a good attitude, they would not treat people that nice. So it's like they stand for their values, and but those who just come to enjoy, they're very happy and very friendly to share their life with their culture, so to say. Yeah, so this is the beauty of Batumi place. I actually spent just a couple of days here, but it really feels like a lot actually.
Часы открываются 3 раза в день. Вот сейчас, смотрите, они откроются, наверное. Называлась Греческая улица, когда Батуми было в подданстве Турции, Османской империи.
Batumi is also a very nice place to enjoy in the evening. Because of all of those high buildings and lighting, it's shining, shining everywhere. Like this is now it's blue. This building over there, it's going to change the color soon, and it's everything. Okay, here you can't see that much I would recommend to enjoy also the night time of Batumi, but now it's around like 12 midnight. I'm getting tired and ready to go to bed, so see you later. Maybe I would add just a few words. When you are in Georgia, one thing I noticed that they have a very interesting driving style, which is quite different and a little bit hectic. Hectic and yeah, so a little bit watch out the way they drive, and also when you have to cross the road, just be more aware. That's the thing I would definitely pay attention to. But otherwise, if you get used to this way they drive, and they have some temper, and they have a little bit like, yeah, they have temper, they have character. But they are, in general, they are very nice people, the Georgians, I can admit. The majority of them, when it comes to like religious point, are Orthodox. You can see a lot of people, going to churches, and so it's very much in the culture to go to the church and like pay attention, pay respect to. It's very interesting, and people are nice. But of course, there are different types of people. But in general, it's very relaxed. It's very relaxed, and you feel like there is no aggression or, yeah. Drinking is very much in the culture. But somehow when they drink, they're just having fun, and it's more a family thing. They're very much into family. They are not so much individualistic. And coming together and drinking together is just, it's a must. So if you're going to some gathering and you say you don't drink, that's a little bit awkward for them. So you can just pour a glass with something. Yeah. It's good to still have something, Maybe you pour something in the glass, and then like a juice or something, and then you say cheers together. Then they will not notice that you are not actually drinking. It's just there's this custom, this tradition to drink together, and if you're friends, you're supposed to do that. Yeah, so just also consider this if you want to, make friends. And so it's like toast after toast, they're going to drink, but in a nice way, and there's nothing wrong is going to happen in general when they drink. It's just a family tradition, so to say. All in all, really, I recommend come to visit one day. My first time in Georgia, I'm quite happy. It's not perfect, but it's you feel freedom, you feel people are relaxed, people are nice, and that means a lot to me already. And you saw in Batumi, for example, there is a seaside. It's pretty warm in general, the climate here, more or less like Sochi, what I got used to in my country. This similar place, with palm trees and so on. So it looks a little bit like Miami or something like, California in general. Yeah, like Los Angeles or something. I don't know. It's like a small version of this. Yeah. And a few years ago there was nothing, and then now they built a lot of skyscrapers and made it attractive for tourists. Hotels, casinos, everything. So you meet all kind of people here, quite a few Westerners coming here, I think, for the climate, especially in winter. Like now, in winter and spring, I saw some people from Austria, from Norway. People come here for the sunshine, like you don't get in Norway. Or somewhere, or in Germany, there's a lot of sunshine here, the climate is warmer, the seaside, so basically you can enjoy a lot of things here. yeah, I hope you really enjoy this video. I just wanted to make it transparent and to give you this feeling of what it is to travel in Georgia and just to be here. So, have fun.
And this is a botanical garden in Batumi city. And this is quite a big place, nice place. It's out of town. It takes probably half an hour to drive away, to drive out. And the garden is really huge, actually. It takes a few hours to explore the place, so I would really recommend doing that. So yes, if you go here, just make sure you spend a few hours. It's not 1 hour or something, it's like a one-day experience, basically. Also located very close to the coast, as you can see, so just come here and enjoy the place. It's a really huge tree there. Yeah, it's very huge. And the capital of Georgia is this place. It's called Tbilisi. And this is how it looks like. Really nice views also around. You can take a cable car like this. And we did. This is how it looks like. This is like really the city center. And pretty amazing place, I must admit. Really nice. So I just wanted to share my experience here because I think many people never heard about Georgia or never had an idea of how it feels like here, how it looks like here. Never heard of Tbilisi as the capital of Georgia. This is this is still Tbilisi actually, the old part of the town. Yeah, old city wall, it says. So I can just say, if you are interested, this channel is mainly for people who are looking for freedom in life, and be it freedom to do what you want, to enjoy life, to enjoy different freedoms. And Georgia is not only beautiful from the point of view of its culture and its landscape and the climate and the food preferences. It's very nice, but also when it comes to the fact that you can live your life the way you want here. They don't care, basically. If you come with good intentions, they take you in. You don't really mix that much with the culture, but you can be left alone and do your own thing and just enjoy here. And yeah, people are also nice to be friends with. Really nice also historical places around.
So, if you like this video, which I assume you did because you watched it till the end, that I really ask you to, give it a thumbs up to make it more clear for YouTube that this is something interesting for more people to see. So this would be a nice way to support this video, to support my channel. In general, this channel is all about building freedom in life, which of course also includes the freedom to travel around the world, the freedom to live where the conditions are more favorable, the freedom to move around if you think it makes sense. So yeah, if you're interested into building freedom in life and becoming a better version of yourself, then consider subscribing to this channel. And let me know also in the comments if you like this video, have you ever been to Georgia, what you think about this place, this country. And otherwise, I will see you in the next video next week. So, have fun.